Each chapter, Mr. Bear will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we must be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, kids. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping!
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. Today you're going to learn about a dragonfly.
The corn's grown well during the night.
That early morning dew does the stalks and power good.
Keep an eye out for parasites. Make sure none of them get in the fields.
Boss, aren't you going to that lecture on bugs?
There ain't nothing about them bugs I don't know already.
But all the other bosses are going to be there.
Well, that's because they don't have the latest gas gun. Here, look at this. With this, I can knock out all the bugs I see, and I don't have to listen to any boring lecture.
If you say so.
Now, children, it's time to get busy. Go clean out all the parasites from the cornfields.
Yes, Mama, right away. What should I do, Mommy?
Take the northeast cornfield, my dear, and make sure that no parasites get in to ruin the harvest.
Uh-huh.
Oh no! Danger!
Caterpillars!
Yes! It's the gas gun patrol! Run!
Oh!
Stop right there!
Aha! After him! Where is he?
Under there.
That'll cook his goose, all right. But who are you?
I'm here to keep the cornfields free of vermin. I'm a cleanup wasp.
I never heard of your kind before.
Even with our Mark 10 gas rifles, we have a hard time with them. What can you do? What's so funny?
Sorry, I'm laughing because everyone calls you the gas stinkers.
You watch your tongue, young lady. We are the Knights of the Golden Fields. She may be what she says she is, but we should still keep an eye on her.
And now to work.
Those fools. Don't they realize I can burrow into any kind of terrain? Now I'll go into a cocoon, and when I come out, I'll be a butterfly that lays hundreds of eggs. Merry Chrysalis!
I don't like the look of this. She's up to no good. She doesn't know that I have a countermeasure. I just lay my eggs right on top of hers.
Now for a well-earned snooze.
Batch 1 neutralized. Batch 2 neutralized.
What a beautiful morning. How are things doing down in the fields, Horace?
Almost too peaceful, if you ask me.
Yeah, if it's too peaceful, I don't trust it. I'm gonna take a look. You keep your eyes peeled.
This way, no evil parasites will be born. Hundreds of cleanup wasps will be hatched instead. The corn will be safe, and the gas stinkers will get the surprise of their lives.
Hey, what are you doing on my eggs? Get away from there right now or I'll kill you! I've got to come up with an idea. I've got it! Oh, Mr. Strawboss! Mr. Strawboss, sir!
What is it?
A caterpillar has transformed into a moth and is laying eggs everywhere. Hurry, hurry!
Where is the dang varmint?
Over there!
I see the monster.
Shoot! Shoot!
Ha! Got him!
What's going on?
I just killed a caterpillar egg lady.
Huh? Isn't that the cleanup wasp, sir?
No, look again. It's a transformed caterpillar.
Now we have to break the eggs before more caterpillars are born. Oh!
Get busy. We have to destroy them all.
Now I can lay more eggs. Hundreds and hundreds of them.
Look down there. It's that egg-laying monster again. I'll take care of her. You'll stay there until you're dead. Then in the morning, we'll hunt out all your eggs and smash them.
Help! Brothers and sisters, help me! Help!
Well, you still alive? Not for long anyway. You're going to get your just desserts for killing all my eggs. But don't worry, I've laid plenty more.
Sooner or later, they'll find out that you're the real caterpillar
You're
egg
as
layer.
stupid as the gas stinkers. They'll never find out.
That little...
Hold on.
Those gullible fools think you're the corn destroyer, and now...
Stop right there.
Why are you pointing that thing at me? I'm just an innocent butterfly looking for some pollen.
You're a liar. We heard everything you said.
Very well. I'm not afraid to die. My descendants will rule the earth. You may fire when ready.
It's out of gas.
I've never seen such feckless idiots in my life. I've laid hundreds, nay thousands of eggs everywhere. And tomorrow morning, when they open, my brood will be the masters of the cornfields. We shall reign uncontested and yearn for more worlds to conquer. Awake to your noble heritage, sons and daughters, descendants of the House of Caterpillar. Awake and eat to your heart's content. The corn is awaiting you, succulent and tender. Our time is come. Start munching!
Look!
What in the
wasp, sir.
Huh? Oh, no! That wretched wasp laid her eggs on top of mine after all.
There she is, down there!
Allow us. Please forgive me, clean-up wasp. I was wrong about everything.
Well, you could know. It's the first time you've ever seen us.
Why do you lay your eggs on top of the caterpillar eggs?
To sap their strength. That way no parasites are
My
hatched.
foolishness almost cost us
You
dear.
can say that again.
We should join forces and protect the harvest together.
Thanks to them, our corn is still standing.
I certainly learned a lesson. If you want to carry out your assigned tasks, you got to take advantage of everything you can. From now on, I'm going to bone up on bugs.
Hear ye, hear ye. Case number 416, the state against harmful insects, is about to commence. His Honor Coleoptera presiding.
I hereby declare this trial open. I note that the accused are in the dock. Silence! Silence immediately or I'll have the courtroom cleared. Now, the charge is ruining the rice harvest. Defendants, now plead ye.
Innocent, your worship, totally innocent.
That's telling them. Or admit the facts, eh?
What facts, your grace? We're accused of criminal acts, what we did not commit at all. Look at us. Do we seem like criminal types? Think how it would break a mother's hearts to see us here. I have no idea in the world why you've arrested us. We were just doing our jobs, protecting and guarding the rice fields.
Dragonfly's testimony will prove we're innocent.
Dragonfly to the stand.
Unfortunately, we've had no news of him for quite some time now, Your Honor. Ladybug's still looking for him, but he seems to have disappeared into thin air.
Then give me your version of the facts.
Very well, Your Honor. I think that I can demonstrate beyond any doubt that the defendants are guilty as charged. I was on my normal rice field sentry duty when I saw the defendants eating the rice plants. When they saw me, they tried to attack me, but I stunned them with my H-16 Bandit stunning nerve gas. Ladybug, who was one of my team, heard all the commotion and hurried over to see what was happening. But she showed up all on her own. You're under arrest for rice field damage.
Have a heart, sister. I'll reform, I swear.
Come on, move. The judge is dying to meet you. Those are the facts, Your Honor. We arrested the perpetrators and brought them in.
A bunch of lies. She's trying to protect herself and Ladybug for the crimes they committed.
She and Ladybug killed Dragonfly because he ordered us to protect the fields.
She also tried to kill us with her Anaxus effluvia.
Did you use the nerve gas with intent to kill?
Of course not, Your Honor. Just to stun the defendants and bring them to justice.
Dragonfly, where are you? Answer me. Dragonfly, where are you?
Not true. She tried to kill us. And we can thank our immune systems if we're still alive.
Your worship, ask her what she did to poor Dragonfly.
It's all quite bizarre. I'm going to have to ask you to join the defendants in the dock.
I'm innocent, Your Honor, but I believe in justice. I'll do as you say.
Ladybug's arrived, Your Honor.
Send her in.
Oh,
Well, do you have any news of Dragonfly?
no, Your Honor, none.
Enough of this lying. Have them confess their guilt, Your Honor.
You ruined the rice fields. Then to make us look guilty, you killed our dear friend Dragonfly.
Guards, put the defendants in chains.
Your Honor, we're innocent.
We're victims of a plot.
Your Honor, I believe I see Dragonfly. It is Dragonfly, and he appears to be injured.
Help him in.
Oh, no!
I knew they couldn't be guilty.
We're all anxiously awaiting your testimony, Dragonfly.
Your Honor, why are my companions in the prisoner's dock and in chains? They are completely innocent, and I'll be happy to furnish you with an exhaustive account of what really happened.
Oh, no!
What is it? I've got a camera. We can film everything.
The only thing we can film is the havoc that's been wreaked on the rice fields.
What havoc?
Look for yourself.
Oh, no! Those are fresh tooth marks on those chutes. The enemy must still be in there.
You're right, they can't be far. We'd better go check out the whole situation at once.
We can't let them get away with this.
There's enough food here for months.
Those guards are so stupid, they don't have a clue.
There they are, the wicked rice-eating parasites. Oh, not so loud. Shh.
I'll stay here and keep an eye on things. You go call the larvae.
Check out every corner. We don't want anyone disturbing us when we're filling our bellies. See you later.
I wish I had time to inform my companions, but I mustn't lose sight of him for a second.
I've been looking for Dragonfly everywhere, but I can't find him. Dragonfly!
Wait, I heard some noises from over that way. Maybe it's him.
Let's go.
I have a feeling there's someone around, but where?
All right, kids, it's all ours. Chow down.
Oh, there he is. Take that! You filthy spy! Hey, I got a spy! Come here, quick!
I'd better hide the camera.
Good work. Now we gotta kill him. He's getting away. He must be stopped at all costs. Go after him now! Come on! That takes care of him. Into the river with him and good riddance. Here we go.
The current carried me very far away, but I managed to survive and get back here. That's the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, Your Honor.
Truth, smooth, it's a bunch of lies.
I have irrefutable evidence that will prove your guilt to this honorable court. I filmed everything.
Well, boys, now we can fill our bellies with tender young rice shoots, and no one will bother us while we eat.
What did you do with that dirty sneak dragonfly?
That's the fish in the river. He got just what he deserved. A job well done. Now we can dig in and eat these delicious plants till our eyes bubble. Now this looks like a good place to start.
As you have seen, Your Honor, I have presented irrefutable proof of their guilt.
The defendants are found guilty as charged and condemned to eternal exile. Ladybug and Beetle, you are free.
The dragonfly. How is the dragonfly classified in the animal kingdom? The name dragonfly identifies all insects belonging to the Odonta order, divided into two suborders. The Zygoptera, that have a thin cylindrical body, and the Anisoptera, that have a large, thick abdomen and fly with great speed. How many species are there, and where do they live? There are some 5,000 known species of dragonfly. Many can be found all over the world. Others are native to very limited areas. How do they live? The dragonfly is dependent on an aquatic environment. It lays its eggs and raises its young in the water. The nymph undergoes a series of molts as it develops. When fully developed, the larva leaves the water by climbing onto an aquatic plant, sheds its skin for the last time, and emerges as a winged adult. How do they move? The larvae are mainly sedentary, while adults have been known to fly long distances. What do they eat? Dragonflies are carnivorous. Generally, larvae feed on aquatic invertebrates, but they will sometimes attack tadpoles and minnows. Adults hunt insects in flight, often catching quite large ones. How do they protect themselves? Dragonflies have no specific defense system, but they're very good at protecting their territory from other dragonflies that they attack without mercy. How do they relate to people? People tend to leave dragonflies alone, except in certain Asian countries, where they are considered a gourmet delicacy. Can they live in the city? Yes, the most common species can frequently be seen in built-up areas adjacent to ponds and lakes, where the larvae can develop.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral of the story is that no matter how hard it is, the good guys always win in the end. Oh, look who's coming!